Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I was on my way back from my climb up to Faith Rock today, and I decided to come back and show you something. There's no traffic behind me and no traffic ahead, no traffic behind me and no traffic ahead. Now I've shown you the horses here and the cute looking pony. I thought I would show you this. It appeared about a month ago. So those are 4x4 columns. He's got some kind of solar thing on the right hand one. I haven't come by at night. It may be running the lights that are on the top of both of the posts. He's got some kind of switch box there on the right hand side by the continuation fence. But I think, and those are chicken heads, and the chain is off, so there's somebody in there, but I don't see a vehicle. Yeah, the chain is off and the lock is open, so there's somebody that's in there, but you wouldn't notice that unless you snuck up on it like this. Okay, I'm looking to the right, I'm looking to the left. I'm going to back up very gradually to get a full view of the gate. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. All right. See all kinds of things out here. Steve AB4L, just enjoying the beauty of the Piedmont and the things folks do. Saying see you in 73.